Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the defense class, the spotter. So what you need to do is click your loadout first. This is your loadout of Battle Royale. As you can see, this is the spotter part of defense class. Click or tap. This is the spotter that launch a cluster airstrike to designated area. So you choose the area and the cluster strike will launch the missile, and also you can see the video or the more detail of it. Click, and also this is class detail of the spotter. Shows the nearby wing enemies or the summon enemy or respawning enemy, and increases reload speed of rocket launcher if you use the rocket launcher in the game. And you can choose this spotter in the tournament event, especially because there are some more respawn enemy and in small maps. So let's give it a try in the Battle Royale training ground. Welcome to Battle Royale training ground. As you can see, there are some enemies or bot that I summon. So let's try this spotter. So you can spot the place you want to launch the cluster strike. So I give it a try in the middle. So let's wait. As you can see, that's it, the spotter or the cluster strike. Try it one more time. It's very useful if you are eliminate more than one enemy or eliminate one whole group. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.